Hey everyone, it's Matthew here. Today, I'm going to guide you on how to secure your first client using LinkedIn automation. And the best part is, it's totally free. I've been utilizing this strategy for the past 2 years with software companies, successfully generating between 2 to 4 hot leads every week for calls. I can confidently say that this approach is significantly more effective than cold emailing. Let's start by picking out a tool for automated LinkedIn invitations. I've tried several, but my top pick is Waalaxy. Be sure to click this button right here to snag a free month. Go ahead and sign in with your LinkedIn account. If it's your first time, they'll prompt you to download a Chrome extension. Just follow the steps provided. Now, we're in the dashboard. Here, you'll find some handy stats like acceptance rates, response rates, messages sent, and more. I think you're going to like it here. But let's get to the main event and talk about making some smart outreach. Open up LinkedIn. We'll find our lead for the campaign using the search bar, along with some booleans and basic filters. If you're curious about using Sales Navigator for this, just let me know. Let's start by visualizing your perfect customer. I plan to seek out CEOs who have engineering background, which ensures we're reaching out to tech-savvy professionals. By tailoring our messaging specifically for them, our communication will be more relevant and impactful. We'll refine our search to make connections with second-degree contacts in Canada, which should increase our likelihood of connection requests being accepted. I'm going to use the basic search filters now to narrow our search by industry. Once we've compiled our target list, we'll proceed to import these leads into our tool using either the provided extension or the tab located here. We'll set up a new list, give it a clear and descriptive name, and start the import process. In just a few minutes, we'll be able to check back and see that our import has been completed successfully. I recommend taking a moment to go through your list of prospects to weed out any that don't align with your target criteria. This step is crucial to make sure you're not wasting your invitations and your valuable time on unsuitable leads. Next up, we need to select a campaign flow. Waalaxy has several options to choose from, but for starters, I'd suggest beginning with a sequence that includes profile visits, then an invitation to connect, followed by a minimum of 2 follow-up messages. Let's set up a campaign with 3. All right. Let's move on to importing our prospects and getting things started. From this point, your unique, creative touch and understanding of your specific market niche come into play. The initial step is a profile visit, which serves to make prospects aware of our presence and show our interest in them. After a day or two, we follow up with an invitation to connect. You may be tempted to immediately offer your services in your initial message, and sometimes that approach can be successful. However, keep the golden rule in mind. Sell without selling. Our first message should be simple, crafted just to establish the connection. If they accept the invite and don't engage further, our campaign will automatically proceed. If they engage, it's your turn to bring deal closer, but don't force it, build the relationship first. All right, we're about to wrap things up and get this launched. This part gives you a summary of the number of leads you have at each stage of the process. It's important to consistently review this information, learn from it, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Remember to conduct A/B testing by experimenting with various campaign flows and messages, and consider distributing some files or blog posts. Once you've launched, be sure to check the Queue tab to confirm everything is functioning correctly. That's where you'll find all the upcoming actions and be able to see any limits that are currently in place. And that covers just about everything. Keep in mind, if you're interested in getting a free month, make sure to sign up via the website. Otherwise, the offer won't apply. I'll include the link in the description below. There's also a promo code available, which you'll find here. Enter it in your account settings. Just so you know, my own trial period is coming to a close in 19 days. Go for it. Let's start making some sales. Best